My name is Chris Modo, and this is how I tie a Windsor knot. Start putting the blade over the tail, then up and through, and then around, and then up. Now this is where I think I differ to a lot of people, is when I push this over, I make sure it goes over the first pass of the knot, keeping the knot nice and neat and compact. So rather than this being sort of over here, I tug over here. So it's a very compact, neat inverted triangle. Then I go around and through, keeping that lovely, neat, tight triangle. And when I push through at the end, I make sure that the blade is flat and clean and the edges are flat. With my thumb I tug up and I just tease a little dimple in the centre. And then once I'm happy with it, that's not bad, I push to the neck. That is a Windsor knot.